In this video, we'll be showing you how to get started on your website. First, log in as an administrator. We then recommend sharing your site's QR code or the address of your website that you chose when you registered. From your main navigation, click Admin and Settings, and then scroll down to the bottom of the Basic Details tab where you can find your QR code. Here, you can also find and complete your site-wide settings, such as basic details about your organisation, the Payments tab for configuring Stripe for processing payments, the Fundraising tab for adding your fundraising goals, and the Customer roles for allocating fellow PTA members' roles. Links to further video tutorials for all of these can be found in the description below. When your committee members have registered on your website, you can then add them to your committee on platform so they are visible to your entire community. From your main navigation, select Admin, Committee, and then click the Add Member button. The video tutorial link for this can also be found in the description below. Next, we recommend creating classes, which will enable you to sell tickets or products to a specific class or group of classes. You can also invite parents to join a class list. A video tutorial for this can also be found in the description below. To set up an event or announce your next PTA meeting, from the main navigation select Admin, Events, and then click on the Add Event from Template button. Please head to the How do I add an event from template link in the description below, which is the easiest and quickest ways to create an event on your website. And that's it, you have now successfully started administering your website. Don't forget you can head over to our support portal or Facebook community forum for any further guidance you require. These links are also below. Thanks for watching.